Hey yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I got a special video of a POV. I had a car photo shoot, you know what I'm saying, with a 340i and a G20, I believe. Don't correct me if I'm wrong because I will not look at your comment. But anyways, we're just gonna get started and I'm gonna show you how the photos went, how the shoot went. Of course, you already know how the POV works, but the gear that I'm running is I got an A7R4 with the polarizer. I got a 28-75 Tamron lens, consistent f-stop of 2.8, and I also got an 18mm prime lens that's also a 2.8. And that is how I achieved these photos. I also did some editing in Lightroom, you know, some light color work, make an image pop. You know what I'm saying? And hopefully you can enjoy this video. I will be speaking in my Rizzler voice for you guys, and yeah, y'all take it easy. So of course I started my adventure by picking up my boys. You can see me, I'm a devious ass motherfucker. I be cutting up this red Ford truck or whatever it is, I don't really know, and I don't care because it's domestic. Nobody cares. So I book it past this goofball, slow ass, dumb idiot. Damn. I'm going to my boy's crib, pick him up so we can get this shoot started, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of traffic, but you know, we all made it on time and stuff. But anyways, let me go open up my beautiful, succulent looking backpack in my NPC Mobile car's trunk, and let's get this shoot started. Fuck. He got the Yeezys dirty. Come here, Dylan.
That's fire. That's fire.
Dylan, watch the fuck out already.
What the fuck?
Okay,
I'm
here.
trying to get in position. That's cool.
Yeah. Holy shit. It's amazing. Let me show you guys.
Yeah, that's fire.
And then when I edit them,
Oh.
holy shit, that looks amazing, bro. I'm gonna whip out my wide angle later and get an overhead shot. Oh, I should have brought my ladder. My ladder, so we can get up top. Copying my angles.
No, you're standing right where it needs, like, the angle.
Bro, I'm standing where it's perfect, bro. Yeah, F11 works. Yeah, cause like when you zoom in, it gets compressed, so you get the blur, and you want his car in focus too. So like here, let me show you. So you go here.
Always going for it.
So now they're both in focus. Damn, that blue and gray, so perfect together, dude. All right, back to f2.8. Let me see if I can get the CPL in a good angle right here. There you go, showing the color off. Look at that goofy ass pole. I love that B58 badge. That's nice. Is that a 340i?
Yeah.
Damn. I wish I had the money for one. Damn, Dylan, why you gotta be in the way? I'm playing. This weather is perfect. Like for like a medicine. Oh, it's my POV camera for YouTube, so I just record my shoots and post them. It's nice. I'm having these as my wallpaper for my computer. They're so good. I love them. I'm about to whip out the wide angle
Yeah. It's a wide angle f2.8. It's crispy as fuck. Fuck. Whew. There you go, sharp. That's how you fucking do it. Look at that. Look at the wide angle on that.
Jesus.
Woo! These cars are majestic, my boy. My focus is duping. Fuck, my feet are getting muddy. And you kind of... Oh, that's a good fucking shot right there, my boy. Let me tell you, my boy. I'm not even capping with you, my boy. This is a fucking motherfucker. Shut up, bitch ass boy. Oh, wait, no.
Ooh, that looks moody, bro. Your clouds pop out a little more.
Yeah, I said when I changed it to portrait, my shadows are way brighter, so they look like Canon a little bit, but the colors aren't the same still. Yeah, look how wide that bitch is. You can see you guys right there.
Jesus.
Alright, I'm gonna switch to my daily lens, so I can, you know, use the polarizer properly. Oh yeah, this is doing. Oh, it was originally white. No, this is working. Whatever, I don't care about getting it too muddy. Oh, I bet. About to spin the block on your cock. Oh, what? No.
Yo, he can't make it there.
I have like 5 miles to the tank.
Fuck.
How far is it? 5 miles?
Let's drive slow or go fast.
I'm gonna get stuck on this bitch, but whatever.
You're straight. Big Volvo, you feel?
Yeah.
Gotta do it. Risk it for the flicks, my boy.
I just hope no cops saw.
So we're doing rollers, or we're going to do rollers, and we realized we got 5 miles left.
Yeah, we got 5 miles left.